Hello friends, today I have a video about environment. Kurdistan has a nice environment and it has mountains, rivers, lakes, some ponds. And now it's spring season and it's a season of picnic. We have to, when we go to picnic, we have to do some things. Like we don't have to break the trees. We don't have to throw things, and if somebody throw things, you can pick it up, and you don't have to leave the litter there. Bye bye.